Hey, come. Come here. Hey. Come. No, I can... Come here.
I can use the other part.
Come here. Eh? Come here.
Come
here. Have you been listening to our conversation?
Me? No, God forbid. I just came to use this time.
You came to do what?
So I say, let me use the other.
Oh my God! You hit him! Get the hell out of him! I will deal with you. You think it's all this you guys are doing with fake prince? The real prince is here. Prince Ebuka. Don't worry. Mechage. Wallahi. Don't try me. Don't try me. Don't just fall. Let me fall you. Try me and fall. Then you see how I'll fall you. You. Let me see you. Stop shaking. Try me. Just try me for.
That serves you right, you bloody bastard. You will meet a fate worse than his. You will cry blood and ask for help, and help be far-fetched.
Ah, but for us, you saw. Nothing there happened. But for what was it dropping at the first place? And you gossip a lot. Sorry.
God, please. Take my life. This suffering is too much. Don't say that. Don't say that. Be strong.
What is he living for? Eh? Somebody who has already been condemned as slave is already dead. He's just waiting for the right time to go off the way of others.
Will you shut up?
How dare you? How dare you? Have you forgotten I'm chief guard? Chief guard my foot! Next time you talk to me like that, I'm going to take your head. Will you stop this?
Come on, Bill.
Okay, what is wrong with you? You have had your position now. Why don't you bask in it and stay the hell out of my business?
Please, don't mind that fool. I'll get something to massage you.
Thank you, Sibling.
God, please take my life. Take me out of this place. God, please.
sorry, no.
How dare you?
So it has gotten to a point you barging into the palace without a knock. Huh? For a personality of myself, I can have this. My queen, is this the kind of guards you now have in the palace?
Sorry, it's an emergency, no.
What? What's the emergency?
My queen.
What nonsense emergency?
My queen, Nkubi is here. What? Nkubi. My queen, please, you must fetch the king immediately. Immediately, I mean please now. You know what it means? Nkubi. Out!
Where is it?
My king, Nkubi is gone.
Summon the castle immediately.
Yes, Your Majesty.
My queen, you sent for me, my queen.
Yes. There's something I want you to do for me right now.
Okay, anything for you, my queen. I'm at your service.
And you listen to me.
I have sent for the chief priest, and I'm sure he'll be on his way to this palace now. I was right inside, arranging something for Donu when my wife rushed in and told me that Nkubi, the ugliest of all masquerades, was here. And we all know what it means for Nkubi, the ugliest of all masquerades, to visit a household. It spells nothing but doom.
Hello. But my king, who did you offend?
That is the question.
We all know you to be a very peaceful king. Why this sudden challenge?
This is the most shocking news I've ever heard. We all know that Nkubi only visit a household that evil is about to behold. And why this happen now? I pray nothing brings tears to your eyes, my king.
I am sure Ebelebe will have a solution to this problem. I am sure he will have a way for this palace to get over whatever problem that is about befalling it. Unscattered.
I can't wait to see how this ends for the evil one in this palace.
Onochie, are you saying we have evil people in this palace?
Then how do we explain the visit of Nkubi? It only shows that evil is incubating in this palace. But I know that our king's hands are clean, I am certain.
Well, let us wait for the arrival of the chief priest. Meanwhile, I want to thank you all for the confidence you repose in me and for reassuring me that I have been on the right path. I believe the gods will see me through.
I'm scared. Why are you scared? Or have you committed any abomination?
No.
So you don't have any reason to be scared. Nkubi might have missed his way and walked into the wrong compound.
No, Nkubi is not the masquerade that would miss his way. A masquerade that comes out rarely like Nkubi must have a reason for being here. I just hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
There's a Moise here.
The truth that has been concealed in this palace is about to be unearthed by the gods.
What truth are you talking about, Ezemo? I have nothing to hide.
Let us allow the gods to do their wish, because only the gods knows the heart of man.
You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect. What do you want to achieve with this evil? No one to trust, no one to rely. Everybody is a suspect. If any man if any man Imakaru Sierra Nakana Boke Jebuya. You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect.
Ndode, please come. My prince. What's going on? Why is everywhere deserted? Ezemo is here. Ezemo? What happened? Nkubi came. Nkubi was here.
What did he say? Fine.
My princess.
I don't know what he's talking about. The truth is talking about that the gods are about to reveal. I don't know. But if any of you is hiding anything, please, this is the time to say it.
Father, I'm hiding nothing. I don't have I don't have any secret or anything I'm hiding. Honestly,
Same here.
But Father, are you sure the gods know what they're saying?
The gods can never say anything that they're not sure of.
Honey, I don't have anything to hide. Maybe what the gods are trying to say is that someone in this palace is hiding something. It could be anyone in this palace.
You're right. You're right. And I've been racking my brain to find out who might be keeping a secret amongst us. I appeal to the person to please let it out now. We are family. We should be able to forgive each other. At all times, we should be able to forgive each other. Let the person let it out now.
Well, Father, none of us is hiding anything. Mother is definitely right. Maybe one of those palace guards or maidens. I don't truly trust any of them.
Sure.
Danger in the balance. Don't want to trust. Don't want to rely.
Are you sure you're not hiding anything?
What do you want to achieve with this evil character? Don't want to rely on. Everybody is a suspect. If any man if any man you are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance. Don't want to trust. Don't want to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect. The balance is in a mess. Nobody is safe.
Who is your love? Look, I've warned you to stop calling me that name. I don't want you to put me in trouble in this palace.
Stop, Joe. Why you do like a Jew man? Stop all these things. You know I care so much about you. Eh? I care so much about you, and that's why I'm willing to forfeit everything just to be with you. If you can just tell me, I love you.
You are crazy. What is it you want to do? Listen, don't try any rubbish with me. I'll deal with you.
Stop this thing, Joe. Stop it. See, I care about you. I like you and I want you. What's it now? Give me a chance in your life. See, I'm the chief maid here. Yes, now. I'll make your life so palatable in this palace. Anything you want to eat, you will eat. I gave others fish. I give you chicken. If you want to, I'll give you. Don't be a Jew, man. Am I not fine, you know?
You must be a fool to think I'll have anything to do with someone as desperate as you.
Ndudi, what is it, Seth? What is your problem? I said I like you. I want you. Is that too much to ask for?
You are mad.
See, last chance, Ndudi. Last chance, oh. Last chance. Give me a chance in your life now that I'm asking you.
I said you are mad. Now get out of this place.
Me mad? Ego Igbo mad?
Yes.
Hey, me mad?
My queen, is everything all right?
Everything is all right, my king.
You don't look it. You look worried. Is it because of?
I have nothing to hide, my lord.
I didn't say you have anything to hide.
Just that I'm worried. I'm worried about the visit of that masquerade. Because everyone is talking about the palace now. I'm so worried.
Don't worry. I will show you madness today. What did you say? What
is she doing?
You don't ask questions.
What's the meaning of this, Ego Igbo?
You see. You miranya.
Why are you there? What are you doing?
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Are you
Don't leave me alone!
What is the noise? What is the noise about?
It's from outside.
They tried to rape me.
What? How dare you? What? So, after trying to rape her, you still want to slap her? I didn't do anything! The king was clear about this! I did not do it!
Rape?
I did not do it! Don't you believe me? Can you not tell me the truth? I think I was sitting here. Shut up! Don't you believe me? I was just...
my clothes!
Jesus!
See my clothes! Nobody has me, please! Chima!
What's going on here?
My king! He can't let me be!
What? My king is a liar. Don't listen to her. I didn't touch her at all. She's framing me up. Why are you lying against me?
No. Let me get something clear here. You mean Ndodi here tried raping you?
Yes, my king. He almost succeeded. He has been trying to rape me all this way. I screamed as if some people came to help me. He's been asking me to come to his room. I said no. Today I came to bring his food. He not tried to rape me, my king.
I go, why are you lying against me now? You know.
Shut up! Are you mad? Shut up.
My queen, I did not.
I said shut. Guards! Pick this thing. Lock him up. Tie him up.
My queen, I did not do what you said. I did not do what you said. Believe me, my king, I did not do it.
You beg for
I
me.
did not do it.
Take him out. It's okay. It's okay, my dear. It's okay. It's okay. I'll deal with it. Calm down.
Only the heavens knows the truth.
Sorry.
Only the heavens know the truth. We are only mortals in this world.
What is it?
I still don't understand this sudden movement out of the kingdom. Is the king aware of this?
I have already told him he's aware. I am not going to stay too long. You see, I'm only going to attend to an urgent business outside the kingdom. That is all.
Okay, so how do you expect the children and I to manage now?
Woman, find a way to manage. Don't disturb me.
But we barely have any food.
Find a way to manage. Don't disturb me. Find a way to manage or allow the children to die of hunger. I don't care.
I can't believe this. I trusted this boy so much. Why? What is it that he is looking for in a woman other than concentrating on what brought him here?
I never trusted that boy. I knew that something wasn't right about him, about favorite, and even made him the head of guards. So now you have seen how he disappointed you, right?
Father, honestly, I don't believe Ndudi would do such a thing. I still find it difficult to believe that he would stoop so low to perform such disgusting acts. I don't think it's true.
Fine, there is nothing condescending here. He is a young man with something in between his legs. What do you expect?
And that thing in between his legs is what I'm going to cut off for defiling this palace. Ifeanyi.
No, Mom, you got it wrong. Just look at it this way. He did not defile the girl. He almost did. He has not committed any abomination yet.
Why do you always sound so unintelligent whenever you speak?
Really?
The young man defiled this palace and should be punished.
Madam Nuo, he has not defiled the palace. He almost performed the act. He did not rape her. And let me warn you right here, right now. This will be the very last time I am going to have you insult me.
Keep your tiny finger down. You're so daft and blind that you can't even see it when he's staring at your face.
Enough of that, Nonye. You don't talk to your brother in that manner. He is the crown prince of this land. Can't you remember?
Apologies, my father.
Better. Now, at least we can now figure out all this that are happening in this palace. Now we know why Nkubi visited this household. At least the whole secret is being revealed.
When I told you that what they said had nothing to do with us, that it could be someone in this palace, you didn't understand, but now you understand it all. It's actually your trustee.
Please! I didn't do it, please!
As if find it so difficult to believe that they tried raping Ego.
Is he not a man? Is he not a man? But just that I feel a little bit disappointed that you could have at least asked Ego for a relationship first.
Amara, why are you talking as if you're no longer in this palace? Eh? Ego countlessly made advances at him and he rejected her. So I know all this drama. She's just trying to get revenge.
What if what he wants from Ego is just sex, no relationship? I beg, I know what guys like him are capable of.
Amara, to me, they don't appear the rapist.
Oh, the Ego.
Yes.
They write them for face. Eh? If Ego says he made an attempt to rape her, I believe her. Yes, after all, guys like him, rapists like him normally appears innocent.
Nolia, I want you to listen to me. I'm going to talk to you as an elder brother. I want you to listen to me and listen very attentively. You have to stop talking to me in a way that is very insultive in the presence of our parents. And I want to remind you that I am the prince. And I will remain the prince of this kingdom. It's my birthright.
A senseless prince. Ifeanyi, that is what you are.
Really? Okay. Since you want to play this game, I'm going to help you. As soon as I walk out of this room, I'm going downstairs straight to Father. I'm going to sit him down comfortably. And I will illustrate and give him with examples and proofs of how you have been hosting parties in every nooks and crown of the city, and how you have been squandering his hard-earned money all in the name of the princess. And I am going to make sure that I remind him that the very next time you insult me again, I will personally perforate this your butt with my needle, because that is what is going on.
Ifeanyi, shut it. You talk too much. I hate you. You talk and speak like a useless man, because that is exactly what you are.
Don't force me to sleep.
It's okay. Go ahead and rant. Go and tell them that. And I will proudly tell Father about the girl that you got pregnant. Look at your face. How did you, oh, you thought I wasn't gonna know. You thought I wouldn't find out. Her name is Stephanie. and you got her pregnant. So go ahead and tell Dad about me, and I will tell him about your little secret. Remember, it's a taboo for a crown prince to have a child out of wedlock. You remember? Are you lost, baby prince? That's so bad. Ah, you're sweating. Oh my God. Ah. And don't worry, don't speak again. You are exhausted. Don't worry, good, just... Will you come back here? Come back! I thought you wanted to report me. Idiot! Writing like a woman. Baby prince.
You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect.
My queen.
What is that your name?
Ndudi, my queen. My queen, honestly, I did not do what I'm accused of. I did not do it. I'm innocent.
Oh, come on, keep quiet. What did you see when you walked in on no one eye?
My queen, I'd rather not say.
You are planning to tell my husband, the king, isn't it?
Not if you decide to tell him yourself, my queen.
How dare you threaten me? You rapist.
My queen, I'm not a rapist. You know I cannot do a thing like that. I'm being framed up. I didn't do it.
And you will not tell anyone, whatever it is that you saw between Onowu and I. You will not tell any living soul. Do you hear me?
My queen, as long as you promise to tell the king yourself, no soul will hear about this.
Do you know I can kill you? Do you?
My queen, you know the right thing to do.
So you have the guts to talk.
I feel terrible for what you did to him. He's our friend, you know.
He's your friend, not my friend. And he deserves the pain and more.
I am on my way out of the kingdom. He has told him, my queen, you can't be there waiting for the boy to spill out what he saw. Huh? You better be on the move. Should I wait for you? What? What did you say? I should turn back? That sounds crazy. You know what the king will do if he finds out?
Babe, I know what you're doing out there.
Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to myself. I know Ndudi never raped you. This is you punishing him for rejecting you.
Are you out of your mind? Is something wrong with you? You won't say what you know, Abby. You won't say what you know now. Is it because you are not the one he tried raping? No, tell me, is it?
Ego, you are evil. I know what you did out there. Ndudi is never a rapist. You just chose to destroy that innocent young man. Now tell me, are you not happy that he's been punished? Are you?
Well, you're very stupid. You're very useless. And for insulting me, I'll report you to the queen. I can see you no longer know who is your senior in this palace, Abby. You don't know. You don't know, Abby? You must be out of your mind. Something is wrong with you.
That boy is leaving this palace and that's final.
I've told you how his late father handed him over to me before his demise. I cannot send him away. Rather, I will demote him to another guard.
If you don't send that boy away from this palace, there will be no peace in this house.
What is wrong with you? Are you threatening me?
I am not threatening you, but I'm stating the obvious. That rapist cannot be in this palace when I have maidens and my daughter in this same palace. That will not happen. I'm just being sensitive as a mother. That boy must leave this palace, and that is final for me.
I have punished him enough for what he did. Let me give him another chance to see if he can redeem himself. Oh yes. I cannot send him away. If I send him away, he has no place to go to. He has no family to return to. I know what he did is wrong. But let us not give up entirely on him. Let's give him another chance. And I expect you to respect that.
You're back. What happened?
The business has been cancelled.
Hey, thank God.
All thanks to you.
Habanani. You know I will not have wished for your business to be cancelled. But you won't starve my children and I.
Your spirit brought me back home. I know that is what you want. A little business that would have fetched us a lot of money and you ruined it. See, stay clear from me in this house. Stay clear.
Let me help you.
Mpiage. Now,
My mother put you up to this, right?
Are you talking to me, my princess? I'm sorry, I didn't hear what you first asked.
I said, my mother put you up to this act. This act of forcefully accusing the god. Isn't it?
My princess, I don't know what to say.
Say nothing. It is all clear. I just wanted to confirm my doubt.
My princess, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have hidden it away from you.
When exactly are you going to kill my father?
My princess, I thought you were joking the first time you said it.
I give you 3 days. 3 days to give me my father's head, else I will make your life a living hell.
one is an angel. No one is holier than God. Everybody has...
Ndode, you are a free man.
Zubelu, what happened?
Ndode, the king ordered for your immediate release. Listen. Yeah. Listen, Ndode, I'm sorry for joining force with the king to punish you. I mean, I should have trusted you enough to believe you.
No, it's not your fault.
Sorry about
you were only following orders.
Ndode. Listen. Ndode, I know you did not do it. It's only God that will punish that useless and desperate girl that called herself Ego.
Thank you.
Ndode, my friend, the king wants to see you.
Now?
Yes.
Okay, please.
Hide like a lies at all. It wanders around proudly.
I made a promise to your father that I will take good care of you. I promised him that I will raise you like my own son in love and in discipline. And that is why my heart is broken hearing what you just did.
My king, I did not do it. Will you shut up?
Shut up, the king is talking.
I'm sorry.
Better.
Sacking you is the most appropriate thing to do. But because of my promise to a father, I will not do it. I will only demote you to the palace slave. You have to do all the chores in this palace without complaint or grumbling.
Thank you, my king. Thank you for sparing my life.
Look at that.
Thank you.
Dad, a palace slave?
Yes. Do you think I love demoting him? No. But that is the only appropriate thing to do at this point.
Dad, let's call a spade a spade. Dad, there is no witness to this rape. Nobody has come to witness to say, I was there, I saw him, or this or that. I trust him today. I am sure that that young man did not do this. Look at his eyes. Look at his eyes now. You can tell. He's innocent.
Son, just leave it at this for now. Humans are erratic and unpredictable, like the weather. You cannot trust them. They cannot be trusted at all. That is human being for you.
That guard got me and the no.
Wow. Now I know what the problem is. And then you forced the chief maid to your obedience.
No, I didn't do that. I just gave her my word. Because she said that she is interested in the guard. And I promised her that I will make sure that both of them end up together.
Mother, you know that's never gonna happen. The guard made it clear that he's not interested in her.
That's none of my business. It's not my problem. The only problem I have right now is that your father has refused to throw that thing out of this palace. Which simply means that one day he will open his mouth to talk about me and the no. That is my problem.
Mom, I've told you. I've told you to stop whatever you're doing with that man. Not in this palace, at least. I warned you. You're risking being caught.
Sweetheart, what is important to me now is that I want that boy thrown out of this palace. Can you help me?
Only the heavens knows the truth.
Forgive me, please. See, it was the queen that lured me into this thing. Don't I didn't mean to hurt you or have you humiliated in the palace. Because Ziano, please forgive me. You know I love you so much. You know I can do anything to be with you. See, I was just so desperate to get the queen's support to my claim. That was why it happened like that. Just give me another chance in your life. Because Ziano, what can you bear about? Let me help you. Dodo, please now. Please now. I love you. Do, baby.
I'm only doing my job.
My prince. Didi, how are you?
I'm fine, my prince.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Well, Didi, honestly, I am not happy about my father's judgment. Demoting you to a palace slave, I felt so bad when I heard it. Yes, I know you didn't do it because I know everything they talked about there was bullshit. I've known you for a while. I've known you ever since you came into this palace. You've done a lot of good things, and I've learned some things from you too. I wouldn't be too proud to say that. But at the same time, honestly, I don't know.
My prince, I mean, it's the king's prerogative to reassign me to whatever position he wants me to be in. I mean, it's not a problem. He's the king. I am the servant, and I am willing to adjust if need be.
I see. Yes. No. You didn't know. This is too bad. Demoting you to a palace slave, that is the point where I am not happy with. And I'm going to talk to my father about it.
No, my prince. No, please, my prince, don't. Honestly, I am happy where I am. I'm happy doing this. Even though I didn't do what I was accused of, but the king's word is final.
I heard this and I came out the way to make sure that what I heard is true. And now that I've seen it, and I've seen you, I am going to talk to my father, and don't try to stop me.
No, my prince. My prince! My prince! Watch it, also. The one I'm doing is okay for you. Okay, now I'm working as a job. I manage bankers in middle schools. Don't mind being a slave. Don't mind being whatever.
A palace servant. Well, I think that's quite befitting for a rapist.
That is why I don't want that boy around here. If he could do that in this palace, he would do more. So I want him out of this palace for good.
Well, that's what I want as the king. And you've got to accept it.
Do my opinion ever matter in this palace? Do you ever care about my opinion?
Mom, please, Dad. Please. Let's not start making out something out of nothing. It's healthier not to talk while you eat. Please, let's enjoy our meal.
I knew you were going to say rubbish. I knew you were going to say nonsense. No, pick your spoon. You spat and vomited rubbish from your mouth as usual.
Noye. Please, don't insult me again. Mind the way you talk to me.
If I do, what will you do? I'm asking you, what will you do?
will not have you insult me again. Not right here, not right now. Be very careful with me.
Shut up. Nonya, will you stop that nonsense? I've warned you to mind the way you speak to your brother. He's the crown prince.
Father. A crown prince who can think and act properly like a crown prince is not a crown prince. This dude is a freaking dull thinker. That's what you are.
Today is going to be the very last day you would ever open your gutters to talk back at me. I am respecting my father here, otherwise I am going to do something that you and everyone seated here is going to
You see why I say you are a stupid thinker, a dull thinker, a senseless being. That's what you are. Look at you. You stood in front of your parents to hit me. A crown prince, a future king. So father, is this who is going to be the future king of this kingdom? I laugh, baby king.
Nanya, enough. Can we all eat peacefully? Can we?
Ifeanyi, calm down.
Sit down, let you enjoy.
Sit down.
Noye, what is wrong with you? When have you grown to the point of insulting your own brother in my presence? Have you lost it?
How do you expect them to respect each other when their father doesn't respect their mother?
And I know exactly this is what she will say. Always in support of your son. I think I'm done with this.
You've lost your appetite? That's what you see when a father cannot respect a mother in presence of the children. So how do you want them to respect you? Well, if you all have lost your appetite, I'm not going to lose mine.
Ego. Ego, what is it? What is troubling you?
Do I look like I am troubled?
Sorry, just a little question. I saw you now, you look troubled. I said, let me know what is wrong with you now.
Why would you ask me what's wrong with me? Huh? Is that your business? Won't you mind your business? Come. Are you done washing the plates in the kitchen? Am I not talking to somebody? Amara!
These are my clothes, and I want you to wash them thoroughly. Okay? And how dare you stare at me like that? Do you want me to inform the king?
I'll wash them after I'm done with the car.
Good. Listen, I won't tolerate any form of disrespect from you. I am now the chief guard, for your information. The formal administration and this present administration are not the same. In this administration, I will never tolerate any kind of insult or disrespect from anybody. Have I made myself clear? Yes. Good.
Get out. Are you not hearing me? I said, get out.
Are you talking to me?
Yes. And don't make me repeat myself ever again. Leave.
Azubwan, can't you see I'm making meal?
Don't worry. I'll take it over from there.
And I said no. Okay? No!
Amara, this is Ego Ibo, the chief maid. I said I will take over from wherever you stopped. Please leave.
Azubwan.
I said leave this kitchen, my friend.
Are you okay? It's your digging man. Don't try this next time, oh. Don't try me next time.
I will make sure you leave this palace. Mark my words. You must leave this palace.
You think you can friend me up the way you did to that innocent guard? Not me, Amarachi.
Amarachi, this is Ego Ibo. Go and ask questions. Go and ask him today how miserable his life is as the palace slave. As for you, I will make sure they severely punish you in this palace before throwing your silly ass out.
See this one, no? You think I'm afraid of you? I'm not Pama. Come and take over this cooking now. Let me see you. Ewu can beer. Nonsense. Just try me next time. Ewu. You're lucky that I'm in a better mood. If not, rubbish.
Oh, Stephanie. Yes, how are you? Stephanie, calm down. Where are you now? No. Wait now. Wait first. Wait. Relax. You can't come to the palace now. Let's meet up at the lounge. Whatever thing you want to tell me, you can tell me then. No, understand me. You cannot. Hello?
My prince.
What is this?
Clothes. Clothes I'm about to wash.
What's clothes? Can you drop them on the floor, please? What is going on? Whose clothes are this?
People in the palace.
People in the palace?
Yes, my prince.
And who gave that order that you should wash the clothes of people in the palace? Are you now the laundryman?
My prince, as the palace slave, it's my responsibility now to take care of all the chores in this palace.
That's not right. That is not right. You shouldn't be doing this. Have you forgotten your position in this palace?
Prince,
you were once the chief guard in this place. Why would you stoop so low to be doing this? For what? And who gave that order?
My prince, I don't mind. Let me just do it. It's not a big issue. If you have other clothes of yours I could wash, I'll go and get them from your room.
You serious? What's that his name?
Zubelu. Come, prince.
Are your clothes in here?
No, my prince.
Who owns these clothes? They listen to me and listen very attentively. This will be the very last time you will do such thing again in this palace. You were once the chief guard in this place, and that position still stands. I don't want you to keep doing this, and it will never repeat itself again. Next time you do it again, I am going to be very, very angry at you, personally.
Sorry,
take back these clothes to whoever owns them and let them wash their clothes by themselves. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, my prince.
Make sure you take my instruction very, very serious. It should not happen again.
Why is my father not dead yet?
My princess, it's not yet my turn to cook.
I gave you 3 days. Until now, the king still breathes.
My princess, it's my turn to cook tomorrow. Please, you need to give me more time. I will get it done.
Echo, you're playing with your life. I don't want this to linger after tomorrow.
Yes, my princess.
Get out.
You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect. What do you want to achieve with this evil? No one to trust, no one to rely on. Everybody is a suspect. If any man.
What are you still doing in this palace?
Greetings or no?
Leave the greetings. What are you still doing here? That is my question.
I work here or no?
You work here? I heard what you did. You don't deserve to still be in this palace.
The king was clement enough to pardon me.
I find it difficult to believe.
Oh no. The king trusts you with his life. Why don't you tell him the truth?
Young man, you are playing with fire. Did you hear me? You are playing with fire.
All you told me now is the threat of a man cheating on his wife. Are you sure?
Do you really think he's cheating on me?
Of course, he's definitely cheating on you. It's quite obvious.
Ne.
I think you should report him to the king.
To the king? But that would be going too extreme.
Now. When a man cannot provide for his family, the king should know about his bad character. So the madness will stop at once.
I'll think about that.
Okakwama ka injiri ifechu ewu oji tupu chi eji.
Oh, Your Majesty.
No. Have it. This is the money you asked for your children's school fees and feeding.
All this for me, Your Majesty?
You know, you deserve this and more. There's no way you can have a rich king as a friend and you suffer. Not possible. Just use it to take good care of your family.
Your Majesty, you never stop supporting me financially. And I begin to wonder, what exactly did I do to deserve all this?
You know that we have come a long way, even before I became king. We have been friends. So, you deserve all the support that I can offer.
Well, Your Majesty, thank you. I appreciate.
Thank you, no.
I'll be on my way.
You can go.
You can't keep this baby. You can't.
You want us to get rid of this child?
Stephanie, you need to understand me. If we don't, my chances of becoming the king is lost. You're not going to be the queen. I may not even be the prince anymore. But if we do it well, like we get married the right way, you'll be the queen. Do you understand? Let's understand me now. Understand me.
I'm confused actually. Let me get something straight. You are asking me, you prefer we kill this child. Is that it?
I am not saying we should kill the child, but I want you to understand something. Listen, understand this now. The truth is this. You and I know that this baby conception was a mistake. I love you. It was a mistake. You understand? So we can still work something out.
You love me. You know nothing about love. I hate you so much for deceiving me.
Okay, Stephen, you know our tradition. You know it's a taboo for a prince to have a child out of wedlock. It's a taboo. There's nothing I can do about this. Understand what I'm saying now?
Love. Do you really know anything about love? Asking me to get rid of a child that was conceived.
You're shouting.
That was conceived out of the love that we both shared.
Okay, fine, I love you. I can arrange to marry you. I will do that. But you need to understand. Let us understand each other so that we can help ourselves. We love each other, and that is sacrifice. That's the only sacrifice you can do for me now. When you sacrifice for me, I will sacrifice everything for you. This is the only thing I'm asking for. It was too early. I love children, yes, but this one is too early now. Understand what I'm saying?
No.
Please.
I am not going to understand anything. And I will ruin everything for you. And for this child in my womb. I will keep this baby. Whether you want it or not.
Only the heavens knows the truth. Only the heavens know the truth. We are only mortals in this world. Many things are hidden from us.
Greetings, my princess.
I heard you're now the new slave.
Yes, my princess.
And you chose to wash people's dress first before mine.
Sorry, my princess.
You decided to wash people's dress first before mine.
I said I was going to come up to you.
My princess, my princess.
That was stupid. Don't you dare take it off. Don't you dare. You chose to wash people's dress before mine. Now get to my room. Pack everything there, but the clean ones. Wash them before I return. And don't you dare take that off your face. Get out. Watch me. Don't you dare. Don't touch me.
What is that boy still doing in this palace?
My husband wouldn't let him go.
You know he has our secret. Then do something. Take care of that mess before it gets too late.
I'm already on it. Okay? Why can't we meet in our usual place tonight?
It's all right, my dear. I'll be waiting.
Guards! Is there anybody around? Guards! I want you to kill him.
Who, my queen?
The guard. He has become a problem for me, and I want you to eliminate him today. What do you mean by Is it that you don't want to do it, or what?
No, my queen.
So what is it?
It's just that I now have 2 people to kill in the palace today.
What do you mean by you have 2 people to kill in the palace? Who gave you the orders?
The guard and the king.
How dare you? How dare you talk about killing my husband in my presence?
My queen, that's what your daughter wants me to do, and I'm scared. My queen, please hire somebody from elsewhere to do it, please.
My daughter asked you to kill her father.
With all due respect, my queen, I can't do it. I can't.
You want to disobey my orders? You want to disobey my orders?
No, my queen. But remember, you promised me something. You know I value and admire Ndudi so much. And you said if I frame him up for rape, that you will support me to marry him. And now, you want me to kill him?
Because there's a change in plan, and I said you must kill him today. I'm not like requesting, I said it must be today.
My queen, I can't do it. I can't. I can't.
You what? If you still value your position in this palace, and you still want to stay here, you must kill him today.
I think the queen is having an affair with Tono. Shut up. Shut up your mouth. Why will you say what you don't even know? Eh? But I saw them in an uncompromising manner. And so, it can be business, but definitely not an affair. That is a bold claim. Don't put yourself into trouble. I'm not Wamia. What's your problem? Girl, yes, I'm wrong, but what is it that Onoho is discussing with the queen at the corridor? What is it that they can't discuss in the king's presence? And what's their business? How is that your business? Ikwemo, don't put yourself into trouble. Don't put yourself into trouble. I'm not Wamia.
Father, I didn't hear you were calling me and nobody came to tell me you were looking for me.
No, I didn't.
Oh, okay.
I've been observing you lately and you don't seem to be yourself. What is it that is bothering you?
Dad, I'm fine. Absolutely fine.
I know it's about your sister. I am not happy with the way two of you are going in this palace. There is a sudden loss of love between the two of you. Each time it is war over nothing.
Dad, you've been there. You've seen how Nonya insults me. She won't even give me the little respect. She insults me at every little time she had. Every little minute she has, she uses that opportunity to insult me. Not meaning that I'm her elder brother and I'm a man. She just talks to me anyhow, the way she wants. The whole thing is frustrating.
Calm down. I will talk to her about it. But I need you to stop responding to everything she says to you. Learn to ignore her. And don't go ahead quarreling with her all the time. It's not good for you.
It's okay, brother. I'll do my best.
That's my son. I'll be having a meeting of the council this evening, and I will want you to be there. I want to discuss about my forthcoming Ofala festival.
Oh, yes, I'll be there. I'll be there, Dad.
It's all right.
You need to listen to me right now. You have to do with him. Please, you need to listen to me.
Say what you want to say and leave.
Didi, the queen has asked me to poison you and I don't want to do it.
Oh, you have suddenly developed a conscience.
Didi, I care so much about you. I don't want to hurt you. I know, I actually told her I don't want to do it and she sent me to hurt me.
And how's that my business?
See, listen, Didi. You need to be very careful right now. You have to be extremely careful in the palace. I know she's going to go through the other maidens to hurt you. So I want you to stop eating anything from this palace henceforth. Please.
Ego, I do not need your love and care. You already killed me the day you framed me for what I did not do. Leave me alone.
Listen. See. I want us to leave tonight, you and I. I want us to go far away. I don't want anything to happen to you. I don't want to harm you. Please, your life is very important to me. We must leave.
The only thing you can do for yourself and not me is go to the king and tell him the truth. As for me, don't worry. I'll be fine. My God will take care of me. Leave me alone.
You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance. Don't want to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect. What do you want to achieve with this evil character? Don't want to rely. Everybody is a suspect. If any man I don't know if any man I don't know Imakaru Sierra Nakana Bokeje Buya.
What is it that I'm perceiving?
Father, what is wrong with you? You should have barged into my room like that. What if I was naked?
I'm sorry, but that doesn't answer my question. I am perceiving something of the pharaohs here. I hope it's not in this room.
I don't know.
You still smoke, isn't it?
Father, I do not know what you're talking about.
No, do you normally look yourself in the mirror when you wake up? What do you see? A princess? Or an irresponsible lass?
Father, what is this now? What is this? Have you come to disturb my peace or what?
Will you shut up? Well, I've come here to pass a warning to you. I don't want to hear you speak to your brother the prince in a disrespectful manner. Either in my presence or anywhere. If you don't want to acknowledge him as the crown prince of this land, then let it be known to you that you cannot come to me for any favor and I grant it.
Father, I am used to that. I am used to it. Have I ever asked you for anything and you do it? The answer is no. It's always been about your favorite son, Ifeanyi. I don't matter to you.
How will you matter when you have turned yourself into a junkie and the black sheep of the family? Look, you have chosen this path for yourself. You have chosen to bring disgrace and dishonor to us, isn't it?
Honestly, Lucy, I feel so terrible. Telling you this because you're my friend, I feel so terrible. My father has placed so much faith in me about this whole thing, and I feel like I've really let him down. I don't even know how to think about this whole thing again. I feel my father is not going to forgive me if I destroy my chances of becoming the king by my own hands. I'm confused, brother.
What is even wrong with Stephanie? She should go ahead and get rid of the pregnancy.
I've begged and begged and begged and begged. She refused. She said to me, she called me manager, she said, Ifeanyi, I am keeping this baby whether you like it or not. That is the point where I am confused. I don't even know what else to do.
But she knows the tradition. She knows you will lose the throne if she insists. She knows your family will lose the throne. What is wrong with her? Eh?
I've been trying so hard to make her reason with me. I've been trying so hard to tell her this thing now you're saying so that she can reason with me. She doesn't even want to hear from me. She has been abusing me. She's been calling me names. She said I'm a monster. I want to destroy her life. I want to do this one. I want to do this one. And each time she says those things, I see myself as being those things she's calling me. Honestly, I'm confused now.
My prince, you need to calm down, okay? You need to take things step by step. You need to take things easy. Alright? So what I think you should, talk to somebody very close to her, somebody she listens to, all those things.
She's no longer taking my calls. I've been trying so hard to communicate to her. She doesn't even want to hear my voice. She doesn't want to do anything with me.
This is very serious. This is serious.
No, she's just adamant. Honestly, my problem now is this. I don't know how to tell my father about this. That is
No. My prince, don't try it too. Do not tell your father about this thing. If your father gets to know about this, you know what it means. Your chances of getting to that throne will be 0.
Are you sure you can achieve it? You can make it happen?
Yes, my queen.
You must make sure he eats the food. Okay?
I will, my queen.
If you are able to achieve that, I will make you the chief maid in this palace. Do you hear me?
Really?
Yes.
Thank you, my queen. Thank you.
And it must happen tonight.
I'll get it done, my queen.
No mistakes.
Man no be God.
Give my queen.
If say man na God, say man be God. I fall under.
Take this one. I'll get it.
Thank you very much.
Diligently, I have no bad intention. This is a setup, just a formula.
Go away, I don't want it. Go and drop it.
Are you sure you don't want it?
I said go away.
I heard that Nkubi, the great Masquerade of justice, returned to this palace for the second time, which means that the truth is still unearthed.
What is this truth that has been concealed in this palace? My king, you need to search yourself and every other member of this palace to be sure. Biko, why not tell us this truth that has been bringing the dreadful masquerade like Nkubi to this palace? It is becoming quite embarrassing.
Exactly. People are beginning to ask too many questions about what is going on in this palace. What is that secret that the gods want only Nkubi to reveal?
Well, my people, I have searched myself inside out, and I find nothing. I've also questioned all the members of my family, and all of them denied that there's nothing. So let the gods do their work.
Like I said, for Nkubi to return the second time in this palace shows it's a top secret and is still unearthed. I was told the guard was discovered a rapist, but you all can see that was not Nkubi's reason of returning the second time. I repeat, if the truth is not revealed soonest, the gods will reveal it themselves soonest.
Better let the truth be revealed. Let the truth be revealed.
How dare you? How dare you agree to poison my man?
So suddenly he has now become your man, but you're fending off for rape. Oh, you think we don't know?
Listen, Amara, I have warned you. Stay away from Ndudi. Let it be the first and the last time you ever agree to make an attempt on his life. Did I make myself clear?
Anyways, the queen promised to make me the chief maid and have you sacked.
No. No way. She can't do that. She dare not do such a thing. I am the chief maid of this palace, and so shall it remain.
You're the chief maid. Then you betrayed the man you claim you love. When you got to it taking his life, you bolted away.
Yes.
Because I'm not a murderer.
Oh!
You're not a murderer. But you agreed to poison the king. Oh, please. Please. You think I don't have eyes and ears on the ground? Nah, I can't wait for you to leave this palace while I become the chief maid. Nonsense.
Let them arrange for 50 bags of cement. 50. Are you deaf? 50. That would be okay. It's all right.
Can I ask you a question?
I'm afraid this is not the right time.
When is the right time? You know, there's never a good time when it comes to you. Are you cheating on me?
And what is that supposed to mean?
It's just a simple question. Are you having an affair behind me?
Are you insane? Is something wrong with your brain? Is your nakokage? How dare you ask me such a stupid question?
You know, it won't hurt so much if you can just be honest with me.
Now get out of here. Out!
You know, for a titled man like you in this community, it is a taboo to commit adultery.
Enough. A taboo to commit what? To commit what? You have the temerity, the courage to accuse me falsely. You see why I hate you and why I will continue to hate you. I will never have a moment of peace with you around me. Now get out of here. I said get out of here. Get a piece of the Look at a very beautiful house that Mologe Gabano in the land in Oleba and Egoni.
When you reach no ya Oma with his egoni.
I'm not here with the way they sing. You're not going to follow him now.
Why have the gods chosen to shame me and my household? We are now the talk of the town as a family with secrets. What is it that I don't know about?
Maybe you should be the one to tell me.
I should tell you. Okay, I am not keeping any secret.
I don't either.
Then who is it that has secret in this palace? Who is attracting this embarrassment to me?
Son, where are you going?
Mother, I'm short of words. Yeah, I need to get some fresh air. Excuse me. Excuse me. Father, excuse me.
This boy has been troubled for days now. We should find out what is wrong with him. I've tried to ask him, but each time he denies. But I don't believe him.
Please, find out.
Don't worry. I will find out and let you know.
Why is my father still alive? I thought we had an agreement.
Something happened while you were away, my princess.
What happened?
Nkubi the Masquerade was here.
What?
Yes, so my princess, when I saw the Masquerade, I was so scared. Everybody was just running around in the palace. I think something is wrong. But my princess, I'm not sure I can still do what you asked me to do. Besides, the queen cautioned against it.
You dared told my mother? How could you?
Ndode.
My prince.
That's enough.
Let me finish up my prince. Stop.
Please, that's enough. Come and sit with me.
My prince, that's not appropriate. I will respectfully decline.
Ndode, I insist. Sit with me.
Thank you, my prince.
Could I have a glass, please? Ndode, drink with me.
My prince, this is not right.
Drink with me. Have a drink.
Thank you, my prince.
Let's toast. You know, I've always been happy for you. You have been a wonderful personality ever since you came to this palace.
Thank you, my prince.
But since you were demoted, I've promised you that I was going to talk to my father so you can be restored to your position as the palace guard.
Yes, and I appreciate my prince. Thank you very much. Thank you, my prince. My prince, can I be bold to say something to you?
Go ahead.
You don't look okay. You look sad. Is something the matter?
Today, you have done something terrible that I don't even know how to talk to my father about it because it's going to break his heart.
My prince, what have you done? What is it?
I got a woman pregnant.
What?
Yeah, yes, I know. It's against our tradition, I know. So what do I do?
What are you going to do about it?
Nothing. Nothing, and I can't even tell my father about it because it's going to break his heart so well. How do I sit him down, start telling him such a very, very bad story?
But, my prince, you have to tell him. Except the girl in question wants to get rid of the pregnancy.
That's the point where I'm confused. I've tried to talk to her about it. She wouldn't budge. She wouldn't want to listen to me. That's where I am going crazy.
Don't be, my prince. Okay? The truth is the only way out of this. You have to tell your father the truth if you hope to be a fine king tomorrow.
No, that's not an option. Telling my father about this is going to break his heart. Yes, I know I'm going to lose my princeship. But my father is going to be so heartbroken. I don't even know how to open my mouth to tell him this bad news. Confused right now.
Whichever way, he's going to find out. Now I understand why Nkubi has been coming here. My prince, you have to tell your father. Would you rather you told him yourself or you want him to hear it from the gods? Because he will know eventually.
Listen, you have to demand a huge amount of money from him and forget about his acts.
So you're asking me to collect money from a fine?
Yes, of course. He's a prince and he's very rich. Come on.
Let me get something straight, Ada. So it's all about the money for you, is it?
Girlfriend, you and I know that he's not going to marry if his people learn you are pregnant for him. In fact, he will be ceased to be a prince. I suggest take the money and go your way.
I love him, Ada. I love him, and that's one thing you cannot understand. Because you know nothing about love.
Oh, really? Lover girl indeed. Look, make sure you collect the money to avoid you regretting it later. At least hold one. Ha! I've told you. Collect that money. Hey!
Is it when this man, what he has turned your life into? Huh? See, I'm going straight to report to the king.
No. Please don't. Please don't go. I beg you,
Why?
don't.
Is it when he stabs you to death? I asked you to go and report to the king. But you have been adamant about it. Enye dear, you need to let the king know the kind of man this your husband is. That he is a monster.
I will. Believe you me, I will, but not now.
Enye dear, your children need you. They are going to suffer when you are no longer there. That so-called, that your husband will definitely marry another woman even before your burial. So you need to do something fast. You need to act fast. Tell the king. Let him know what he does to you at home. Eh? When are you going to tell him? You have been going through all these things for years.
Why are you staring at me like that? Amarachi. So you can kill. What do you mean by that? Oh, don't pretend. I heard everything. I heard your conversation with Ego Ibo.
So you agreed to poison an innocent man? All because of what? Just to be a chief maid. So you're willing to kill all because of title?
I'm only doing the queen's request.
We can tell that lie to someone else, but definitely not me. You can't lie to me, Amara. Why? Amara, you're from a good home. So why bring shame to your family?
What I want to bring to them is the honor of being a chief maid.
So you have to soil your hands with blood just to achieve that. Hey, Amara. Amara, that innocent young man is someone's brother.
Well, he has no family.
He can be someone's future husband. I know that.
Then are you interested in him?
Amara, you know what you're about to do is evil. And I hope you're ready to live with it when the deed is finally done.
Nobody is a slave. Nobody is a governor. We are all equal. Nobody is a slave. Nobody is a slave. Nobody is a governor. We are
Mom, I have an appointment.
Sit down.
What?
I said sit. What is bothering you?
Nothing, Mom.
Your father is asking questions, so it's obvious that everyone knows that something is bothering you. So you better tell your mother. What is going on?
Mom, I said I am fine. Nothing.
Okay, nothing. Okay, then I will go and tell your father that...
Mom, I got a girl pregnant.
You did what? You got to get what? You know what that means, right?
Yes, I know.
Has she gotten rid of it?
Not yet, Mom.
Do you know that you could lose the throne if that news come out? Okay. Who is the girl?
Mom, you don't need to know.
God damn it! Tell me who the girl is! I demand to know her now! Who is this girl?
It's obvious he's referring to us.
No, that's not true.
We need to stop this relationship. I mean, we need to leave this kingdom.
How can you ask me to leave this kingdom? I'm the queen. Can I leave my kingdom?
If the king finds out what we have done, he will have our heads without minding your position. Let's stop whatever we are doing forthwith.
At this point, I don't care who finds out what. Let's own up to this and stand for this relationship.
I don't want to die yet. I think the best thing to do is to kill the king and the boy that saw what we did.
Killing the king is not my problem. It's something I can handle by myself. But before I kill him, I want to have a copy of his will to make sure that the children are involved in that will.
But there's no way he will write a will without including you and the children.
There are so many ways he will do that. The king doesn't like my daughter.
What?
I am not sure that he will leave anything for her. And if she's not included in this will, there will be trouble. Big trouble. So I want to make sure that everything is intact before killing him. I'll do that myself. As of the boy, that one is a forgotten issue. But come on, sweetheart. Don't be worried about this. This is something I have under control. I can handle it. Trust me.
Well,
okay?
If you say so.
Don't be scared. Be a man.
I'm a man already.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Welcome. Come inside. How are you?
I'm fine, Your Majesty.
How are your children?
They are fine, Your Majesty.
Wait, let me get something clear here. Are you saying that your husband, who happened to be my own, has not been providing for you and your children?
Yes, my king. I have been the one taking care of the children for years. Each time I ask him for money, it's always from one excuse to the other. My king, I have been suffering all these years.
Why have you not told me this all this while?
I was really hoping that he would change, but I was wrong, my king. Not only that, Your Majesty, I also suspect that he's having an affair.
Then keep that one aside, because we are not so certain.
Then tell me, my king, who else is he spending his money on if he's not cheating on me? I have done my duties as a wife all these years, but he never appreciates me.
But does he beat you?
You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect. What do you want to achieve with this evil? No one to trust, no one to rely on. Everybody is a suspect. If any man if any man you are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance.
Ndodi!
My princess!
How dare you? Why is my car unwashed?
I was going to wash it.
You have the guts to leave my car unwashed. You were doing what?
Sorry, I was just taking a little break after washing the other cars and the gate and other things.
You must be very stupid. You must be very stupid.
I'm sorry, my princess. I'll wash it now.
Okay?
I'm sorry, my...
For this nonsense you did, you must receive a punishment.
I'm sorry, my princess.
Get me an iron. And be fast about it.
My princess, I can wash it now. I'm sorry.
Shut up! Next time, you will know that I come first in this house. And you will not leave whatever that is mine for last.
I'm sorry, my princess. I can wash it now.
Hurry up!
My princess, I'm sorry. My princess, I can wash it now.
Majesty, your meal is ready.
Amara, I'm not hungry.
But Your Majesty, you've not eaten since morning.
Go! I told you I'm not hungry.
Yes, come in.
You sent for me.
Yes. I want you to pack your things and leave this palace at once.
My queen, I am the chief maid of this palace. You can ask me to leave without the king's consent.
And I am telling you that your services are no longer required in this palace. I have the power to hire and fire at the same time.
Yes, you do, my queen. But the king needs to be aware.
You are no longer needed. I have a maid now, who is my chief maiden. So pack your things and get out of this palace at once.
My queen, this is very unacceptable.
How dare you?
If I must leave this palace, the king must know everything that I know.
Is that a threat?
It's not. You threatened me first.
Now you get out. My friend, go out there and pack your things and leave here. Now get out of my room. I don't think I'm done with you. I am coming for you in full force. Get out! You brat.
Nobody is a slave. Nobody is a governor. We are all equal.
Really?
Nobody is a slave. Nobody is a slave. Nobody is a governor. We are all equal. Subanike, manke marinaga. Nobody is a slave. Nobody is a governor. We are all Subanike. We are all equal. Subanike, nobody is a slave. Nobody is a governor. We are all equal. Subanike.
This is wickedness. How can she do such a thing? How can you hit a human being with an iron? That princess is so wicked. Seriously.
I don't even know why I stood there and watched so much pain on him without doing anything to stop it.
What would you have done? You're just a guard in this palace. So you're not even expected to fight or challenge
in the sight of God. Mind your
It's okay, I'll be fine. Don't worry, I'll be okay. It's okay. It's okay, I'll be fine.
Nobody is a slave. Nobody is a governor. We are all equal. Subanike.
Before they will kill you. I don't even understand this sudden humiliation they are meting on you. Because we all know the rape accusation they leveled on you is false.
Oluchi, I'm not going anywhere. If I leave, where do I have to go? I don't have anywhere to go, so I'll just stay here and endure.
Nobody is a governor. We are all equal. Subanike. Nobody is a slave. We are all equal. Nobody is a slave.
Oh! Zubelu, don't be like this guy now. Okay, Ozugo, no. Thank you, Gawaziano.
No, how could I had time to get arrested.
My goodness. My king, what's going on? Why this anger directed at me?
Your wife was here, and she told me so much about you. How could you have treated her in such a wickedness? How could you?
My wife was here?
Oh, yes. She told me so much about you.
Gosh, bless me.
She told me that you have not been providing for them with all the money I have been given to you. What then are you doing with the money, if not to provide for your family and make them happy?
My king, I am too exposed for this kind of village gossip. I am disappointed at you.
And what do you mean by that?
How could you have listened to the incisive and deceitful words of a woman over your most trusted friend? Obviously, she lied to you and you believed her.
Are you saying that your wife lied to me?
Well, my king, this is family affair and I don't want you to be sentimental about it. You would have waited to hear from me before drawing a conclusion and raising your voice at me.
It's all right. I've heard you. But I was only angry after hearing from her. She doesn't deserve to be treated with such a wickedness. She's the mother of your children.
My king, could you please give me a little chance to explain exactly what happened to you?
At this point, there's nothing to discuss again. Just go home and resolve things with your wife. I wouldn't want to hear such a complaint from her anymore.
It is well, my king.
I want to go and wash it.
Don't worry. I'll do it for you.
Thank you very much. How have you been?
I'm good.
I hope you have eaten yourself.
Yes, of course.
Look at you right eating everything. I'll see you later.
Alright.
And who is your man?
How dare you? Don't you ever in your miserable life play dumb on me again. What are you doing with him today?
What sort of question is that? Don't you see he's wounded?
Wounded?
Good question. By a good friend, the princess.
What?
She used iron on him.
Oh my God.
Oh, you don't know. Now you know. And please, don't you in your miserable life ask me what I'm doing with him. Because the last time I checked, he's no longer your man. The day you falsely accuse him of rape, which is the stigma he's passing through.
Now listen to me. You better stay away from him. As far as I am concerned, as far as I'm still alive, Ndudi is my man. Are you hearing me? Stay away from him, Oluchi. Stay away from him. Better stay away from him. Oh. I am warning you for the last time. Stay away from Ndudi, Oluchi. Stay away from him. Oh.
How dare you? I mean, how dare you, Enyi dear? How dare you go to the king to tarnish the image I built for myself in this kingdom? How dare you?
I only went to report to the king and I told him nothing else but the truth.
You told him nothing else but the truth. See, I see you have grown wings. Yes, you have so grown wings that you can now challenge me. Okay.
If you treat me well like your wife, will I have any reason to go report to the king? Would I? At least the king needs to know the kind of honor that he has.
The king needs to know the kind of honor that he has.
Yes.
Do you even know what is honor? Eh? Look, I built a reputation for myself in this kingdom and even in the palace. And that is what you chose today to go and destroy with the nonsense you told the king.
I only told the king nothing but the
truth. Shut up. You told the king nothing but the truth. No man, mark my words. In fact, read my lips. I will make life so unbearable for you that you will pack and leave this house. In fact, the best thing for you to do now is to walk in, pack your things and leave before Millie and I. Look at you! You reported me to the king. Do you know who I am? Have you seen the manhood of an ant? Idiot. You think the king can control me in my own household? The king, who is he? Is he even a man? What kind of balaba?
No, I did not do anything wrong.
You did not do anything. Go and tell that to your father.
You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect.
Wow. I said, who are you looking for?
Wow. Is this not King Ago Bata's palace?
The handy problem.
Hey, now what the maka? Wallahi tallahi mondawo. See, you don't know me, but he knows me. I am here with my children. Came from far north and we need to see him. Go and call him.
Mama, you didn't speak English for this guy. I beg, go call the king for us. Tell her saying children don't call. Hurry up, go call king for us. You don't call. Now we be the children.
And how dare you command me to call?
Okay, hold on. Who be this one? I go lie to you without lighter. You the crazy? Go call king for us. Who be this one? Who be this?
How dare you? Eh?
Wait, won't be my brother. Well,
try
him. If you try one.
Try him. Ask Bukaya for your body. You get mad. Come on, call king for us, yo.
Who be this?
Delete!
Okay, move now.
I heard you came to the palace to sought audience with my father, and the guards threw you out. Do you know why? I gave that order.
You think you can keep me away from the king? Just watch and see. I will tell the entire villagers how you got me pregnant and forcing me to get rid of it.
Stephanie, you were once a vibrant, happy girl. How did you become so bitter and dangerous? It amazes me how you have turned out to be a very, very sad girl. What would be your gain if I lose the throne? What would you gain if I lose the title?
What would you gain in subjecting me into risking my life to get rid of a child that you put in my womb? That will never happen.
So you're actually telling me right now that you don't care and you will be happy if I lose the throne?
Do you care about me dying in the process of an abortion?
I have a friend, a very close friend, who is a medical doctor, a gynecologist. He will help you, he will help me, and it's going to be nice, easy, painless and slow. And you will be free and I'll be free, and we can continue with our love, we can be happy. What do you think?
No.
Really? Stephanie, I don't want you to have issues with my family. I don't want my mother to get to know about this, because it's going to be a very, very, very difficult one to handle. Can you listen to me? And let's settle this as lovers for the sake of the love we had for each other.
My love, if I get married to me and damn the consequences, but you see this child right here, I will not get rid of it. Because I'm not even sure that I will still be your wife, even after getting rid of this child. So no, okay?
You'll regret this. Trust me.
You spoke so well, my dear friend. There is no guarantee that he'll get married to you after the abortion. So definitely, believe me, at your own risk.
Madam, my friend, thank you for opening my eyes.
You're always welcome, okay? It's fine.
Thank you.
Okay?
Woman, who do you say you are?
You don't remember me. I am Esther from Jos.
Esther from Jos. I can't remember any Esther from Jos.
Why will you remember me when you and your friend one used me and dumped me and leave without trace? I searched for you for years. You were nowhere to be found till I met your friend Wanko. He was the one that directed me.
Wanko directed you to me?
Who is Wanko?
Wanko was a friend during our NYSC days in Jos. But I can't remember this woman and what she's talking about.
Why will you remember me? When you were busy having fun with me, the fun that got me pregnant. These are your products, oh.
Wait. Come on, get out. Don't come near me. Leave me alone. Go.
Can you tell me that what she said is not true? Because I'm losing my mind. What she said? You did what? With her? You mean the way you... I don't get it.
My queen, believe me, this thing happened over 20 years ago. I can't even remember the woman in question.
You can't remember what? You can't remember a woman you had sex with that gave birth to twins? 2 children? You can't remember that? How?
Please, calm down. I'm still trying to figure out.
You betrayed me. Betrayed this family. You betrayed the royal house. King! Your Highness!
Please, calm down. Calm down. I'm still trying to figure out what exactly is
Figure out what exactly what? That a woman brought in 2 unkept children in this palace claiming to be yours? You can't understand what? Those dirty things in here? In my house? In the royal house?
Hey, I guess this is my
you better take care of this nonsense. Take care of this nonsense, else I will lose my mind and 2 of you will not like the other side of me. And take that stupid bag out of my room.
What is wrong with her? Is this her first time of seeing second wife? For your information, I am here with my children, no going back home. Wallahi bazam ko mama. Can I They had to stop shouting no, because if I start my own, this kingdom, will share into 2. Begidana nadao. Wonder why? Very ajeborona. Let me keep my bag. Come here.
Yeah, so I get gist. Girls now, have the latest gist now.
Who are you calling girls? When did that one start? See this one. I got you one. I'm begging.
Some strange people are living in the palace now. Strange people? The king now has a secret wife and children. What? Yes, now they're currently living in the palace now. You need to see how shocked the queen was. Wahala don't officially start.
Tell me this is a joke. Tell me that women and her kids are a joke. Tell me this is a prank. Maybe they called the wrong location because there is no way I am letting this happen.
My heart is shattered. Your father shattered my heart. He keeps telling me that he doesn't know what the woman is saying. But From the look of things, he understands everything. He knows.
Mother, there is no way we can let this happen. This is not going to exist. We can't let this happen. We need to do something. Mother, this is unbelievable. What is this?
No, your father made me think that I was the only woman in his life. He told me that I am the only woman he has slept with. I didn't know there was another. He lied to me. Your father deceived us all. He lied.
Yet he blames me for my lifestyle. He blames me for every single thing I do without knowing he's worse than me. Jesus Christ. Now I don't know. Like the princess. What are you doing in my room?
Relax now, that your big English. You don't speak and pass me. Sure you hear? I hear say you be the princess here, which means this room belongs to me and you now. As the elder one, because according to my mother, she said, I'm the elder one here.
Look. My eyes are closed. But before I open them, I want you out of this room, else I will tear you apart.
You say what? Tear who apart? Me? Me would you? Hey! They never born that person well when they tear me apart. They never born her. Eh? Jesus! Hey! You don't die! You blow me in the Chris. Eh?
Easy.
You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance. Don't want to throw.
Hello, bro. What's up? How you doing? Who are you and what are you doing here? Calm down now. Relax, bros. I put to the what? Calm down. In fact, now your following place, you follow the talk like this. So now your elder brother be this. Now maybe this. You have not answered my question. How did you get into my room and what are you doing on my... Are you a thief? Just calm down. You're brought to the what? What's happened, sir? Now your elder brother follow the talk like this. What did they do you? Calm down now. Relax. Let's talk like brothers. What did they do you? How did you get in here? What are you... What are they speaking English for? I say I am the prince. The main prince. I don't land. Now maybe this. I am here. Relax. What did they do you? On my bed. Guards! Wait. Guards? Wait. You dey call guards for me. My own guards. Make I fear now. Bros, go ask your papa. Now maybe the prince. In fact, very soon I go come out your clothes. In fact, no come this room again. No. Now me don't get her now. You did what? Father. You got a woman pregnant. Father, you're making me scream at you now. You're making me shout at you now. What is this? I'm just coming from my room. And in my own room is a stranger seated there claiming to be my brother. What is going on? Tell me this is a joke, Father. What is this now? Calm down, son. Calm down. The whole thing happened so fast. I can't remember having anything to do with that woman that claimed to be their mother. She said I impregnated her. But I'm still trying to rack my brain on how I ever had anything to do with her. What are you saying? Look at me now. You are talking to an adult. I am not a 5-year-old boy. I am not small. Yes, I know you gave birth to me. But I am grown now. How can you be telling me that you are not sure if you got her pregnant? Didn't you sleep with her? You slept with her, yes. What is this now? I disappoint me. I used to think that you're the only noble man in existence in this planet yet. I placed you in high esteem the way I see you as a man without spot or wrinkle. You disappoint me. That's just the truth. Let me just tell it to your face now. I am so disappointed in your acts that is fighting us here now. I am so sorry.
I am still so confused about the whole thing, but I am so sure that I didn't have anything to do with that.
Father, you look me in the eye and still talk to me as if I don't understand what I'm saying. When it is crystal clear here that you are the problem, so Father, it is you. So you pick the one carrying the secret that the gods have been trying to expose you. So you pick the one carrying this whole thing all these years, this secret all these years. And you refuse to spill it out, you refuse to tell anybody the truth. Well, congratulations. I'll tell you now, Father. You have ruined this family. It's by your hands, your very own hands, and this whole family is going to be ruined. It has just started.
Come now, come, let me explain. Come, son.
She will regret this! She will regret ever stepping her feet into this family!
I know! Let's go, let's go, let's
Me.
go!
I think there will be a big problem in this palace.
I'm so disappointed at the king. How could he do such a thing and still kept it as a secret?
Are you sure the king knows about this?
He knows.
Because something tells me the king will not know about a secret like this and keep it. He may not know about it.
What I'm saying is that with the king suddenly having 2 wives, 2 daughters and 2 sons, there will be a serious disagreement in this palace. I'm telling you.
Now, wow. A once peaceful palace has turned into this.
Don't you think it is time we told the king the truth?
What truth?
Can't you see we are losing it? Our children are going to lose their birthright if we don't do something.
The king lied to me. That is why he will die the way we planned it.
His death will even cause more trouble now that we are aware that he has a son. And that son is elder to our own son.
Can you just lower your voice and calm down? I know these are our children and the king must not find out until he dies. He can't find out before he's dead. That's why I will kill him myself today. He must not hear this news.
What of the will? Have you confirmed it? I am certain he's going to write the will. And I want our children to be favored in that will. See, I want him dead myself. But I'm afraid I now has a contender. And that is the woman he slept with so many years ago.
You have a point. I will find that will before I kill him. I promise.
Please do.
I will. Don't worry.
This is too shameful, my king. Very, very embarrassing. In fact, we the members of this council are totally disappointed and embarrassed that you could keep such a secret for years without at least confiding in anyone. Oh, our king, you have disappointed the people of this kingdom who repose maximum trust on your person because of your perceived integrity. We are disappointed. We members of this council don't just consider ourselves as such, we see ourselves as your friends. You could have at least confided in us. That means we have a pretender as a king all this while. My king,
you have lost credibility and approval of our people. We, your cabinet members, are disappointed, and we seek an explanation to this.
My elders, I am still that upright and truthful king that you used to know. I have not changed. What transpired recently in my palace is still so shocking to me and my entire family. I cannot remember what transpired between me and that woman. I am still thinking. But as it is right now, my head is still blank.
Are you denying the fact that those children are yours?
I am not denying, neither am I accepting it. Because I am still trying to figure out exactly how I got that woman pregnant. I can't figure it out. And that's why I want you people to be a little patient with me and give me a benefit of doubt. Let me resolve this, please.
Why is Jono not even here?
I wonder.
Why is he not here? However, we are giving you until the end of this month to come up with a plausible explanation to this. Otherwise, this council is dissolved. We can only work with a credible king. Elders of Umoji Kingdom, yes. I hope I've spoken your mind.
Exactly. Our mind.
Exactly. You're gonna be here.
Hello, Mambo. It's me, Arugata. When and where can we meet? I want to meet you in person.
Hey!
And speak of food.
Sorry,
Just tell me when you will be back.
Wallahi, that feeling was zuma. I've missed.
Look, woman. I am giving you from now till this time tomorrow to leave this palace with your children. Because I don't know you.
You are so funny. You don't know me. Well, my beloved king. Sorry you can't get rid of me now. You should have thought about it. Don't leave before having sex with me that night.
But we were.
And what? And what? You suddenly can't remember me. Or you've just remembered me. Now listen, let me tell you. I don't care what you remember or not. I am here with my children and there is no going back. So you better accept your new family. One more thing. Tell your second wife that I'm not that type. If she dares me, if she dares me, wallahi talai zenzuma won't coronation koreka. I will deal with her. I will give it to her back to back. I mean the way she wants it. Do they have an also guy? I can say we are boy. Ay, wallahi na ya jides. Zamana. So yeah na kafir wazuma wallahi. Muje ina so da kai. Gani ga kai. Kajira ni mana. Megi mana. Hey, our husband waiting now. What is it supposed to mean? No greetings? Really? Greetings, greetings. Maybe you haven't been told. I am the new princess in town. Yes, new princess. And I want you girls to respect me and accord me as a new princess in this palace. Yeah. Huh? What did I hear you say?
Listen, auntie, we don't know who you are, okay? Are you even sure you're in the right place?
Ah, Jesus! Are you mad? Something they worry you. Something they work you. Come on, keep that hand. Come on, keep her. You they mad? No, they look face. No try that rubbish you are there. No try it. Why do you? What do you do here? Now no get hand work.
Now just dey here, they gossip, they talk, wetin no concern una. Come on! Delete! I tell una delete! What you stand there, dey do? Oya, follow them. What you want to do? Oya, follow them! Come on here! They go! I no go mess up for this palace again. Don't shoot. Nonsense. Nonsense.
You know,
my king,
I have suddenly become a laughing stock in my own kingdom.
My king, ife ọnụ ndị mmadụ na-ekwu maka gị kịta adịrọ adị, ọdịrọ mma atọla atọ. It's a shame and quite unfortunate that you could not confide in me your know about all this.
Do you know that it is only recently that I got to know that such a woman existed with the children she claimed are mine?
Are you saying you are not aware?
No, I am not aware. That is the reason that woman must leave this palace. She can't be here if I can't remember impregnating her. The only time I think I got to know about her was during my NYSC days. You know, we partied a lot within the period. That's when I set my eyes on her for the first time. But I can't remember sleeping with her.
My king, you have said it all yourself. That you knew her during your NYSC days and in a party. The chances are that you may have slept with her, only you cannot remember.
No. I'm in a serious trouble. In a serious trouble. That woman must leave this place for me to have peace in my palace.
The problem here is if she will agree to leave. Honestly, you must find a way to clear this mess before it festers further. The kingmakers are not happy with you. Besides, your throne is seriously threatened.
Hey bro. What's up? Are you okay?
Now me they ask, am I okay? I mean, I'm supposed to ask you, are you okay?
Sorry about that. You have my car keys.
Our car keys? Oh! I say my enter city, my enter kingdom, man, see how it be now. Yesterday get small sushi babes, so I carry go for the like you now. As Prince White be. Get.
I think my car is going to serve as a hotel, as a cheap motel for you to
bros.
Mess up with your girls.
Sorry, bros. Our car, if I tell my car, I'm going to perish. Come, what did they do you? Why your blood they hot like this? I be that brother, now maybe the main prince, so in case if you don't know. I be that brother, now maybe the main prince. Is it because I know they wear this your gown where this skirt and gown where they wear? I never want wear them, but very soon I go come out of your body because I'm the main prince. Don't they follow me, they talk like that. If they talk me, put respect. Do you hear me?
Okay, sorry.
I better shift my come out.
No, I wanted to have my car key first.
Don't try you. I see, I will dive you now. I will dive you. You will like her. I will dive you now. Okay, see, don't try me. See, don't try me. Don't try me. See, okay. So, okay. See, I will finish you. What is going on here, please? What? Here, please. Come on, will you stop? Who is this one? Here, please. Stop.
Father, this boy is an arrogant fool.
You are a cause of to be pansa.
What's your problem? How dare you? How dare you fight my son in his own kingdom, in his own palace? How dare you?
Papa, this boy dey insult me. He no know elder brother. Now maybe the elder brother. I see no ram. Now maybe the prince.
You don't call me a boy in my father's presence. Look, bastard. And bastards don't talk when men who have fathers talk.
Light and light, you
try me.
Look, don't try me. Look, Ebuka. Ebuka!
Father. I am not your father. That's right.
I am not your father. I don't know you.
That's true. You're a bastard. Papa, why you talk like this now?
He is not your father.
Quiet, you don't talk when I'm talking. Papa, tell this guy, say, I be elder brother. Now me see no ram. Now me be the first prince. Tell him. And they insult me.
Okay, fine. Can I have my car keys now?
Will you shut up your mouth?
Alright. Sorry, sir.
Shut up.
Sorry, King.
You are talking to the heir apparent to the throne. He is the crown prince of this kingdom. I don't know you.
Father, but I'm the first son. You born me before this Tozo. You born me first. I go day before my brother. They tell me, say, this guy is prince. You born me first. I be that brother. I don't like this one who pops you. I don't like this one. Don't try me. This car key belongs to all of us.
I see.
I be prince.
I see that.
I go soon commode this clothes for your body.
I think that the best thing right now is for him to kindly select how you want to die and where you want to be buried, because I will make sure that you are buried in the most disgraceful way, and including your dirty mother and that your sister. Today is going to be the last day both of you are going to spend in this palace. I will make sure that you live either dead or alive.
If you step on each year, I will bury you. I will light you without light.
Try me. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Try me.
Ebuka! It's okay. Am I talking to somebody?
Try me. You're a bastard. Try me. You're a bastard. Finish, I will light you.
Go look for your father somewhere else.
You're that one. I will soon come out this clothes from your body. Bet me, I will kill you. I will kill you.
Dad, I'm just respecting you, Dad.
I will kill you. Try me.
Ebuka.
You go. Your father.
It's okay. It's alright. Now, give me that key. Give it to me.
Papa, wait, I
said give me the car key. Give it to me. If I sit down. Ebuka, follow me.
See. I have to remind you as a grown-up asthma, listen to me, young man. You're a bastard. This is not your father's palace. He is not your father. Go look for your father in the north.
I tell you, I will come with this clothes for body. Bet me. You, I will give it to you.
Bastard!
What are you pig doing in my bed? Sis, I can see you are back from your checkup. How is your wound? Is it paining you so hot or so low? How dare you? I saw lots of cigarettes here and I've already downloaded two. Now, since you are so hot, I hope you wouldn't mind if I go for the second. Don't you dare. If you touch those, I will strangle you this minute. Strangle me? For ordinary cigar? Have you forgotten I'm your senior? Huh? Be like say that wound where I give you for bag. Never do you. I go give you another plaster for your face. Me equation balance. See, ma, I warn you. No, they disrespect your senior. And I am here to stay. And there is nothing you can do about it. So you better learn to accommodate me. After all. No be me tell our father to marry 2 women. No. Hey, listen. Get off my bed. I want to sleep. Get off your bed. I can only shift for you. I'm not going off of this bed.
Now me and you get this bed now. So if you want to sit down.
Don't touch those. Give me that.
I'm not giving you. I'm not giving you anything.
Yeah. What are you trying to do? Get from there. What are you trying to do? To sleep? There is no sleep in this house. There is no sleeping. Since you don't want us to sleep, there will be no sleep in this house. Woman, I have come to just have a little sleep. There is no sleep for the wicked. There's no sleep for you in this house. Since you decided to bring strangers in this house, nobody will sleep in this house.
Look, I am not happy just as you are. Eh? I can assure you, I've never had anything to do with that woman.
You have everything to do with a woman. Stop lying. You don't remember having sex with her. And I've asked you to send them out of this place and you refuse to send them out. So there's no way you will sleep. Oh. In this place, there's no sleep.
Yawa! Lady Nana! It is time to sleep. I'm so sorry. I was busy trying to, arrange your children before coming.
What are you doing here?
What kind of stupid question is that? Eh? Lafia and Kikwa. Kina how can I?
Lafia and Kikwa your own. Don't put yourself in this bed. Eh? Don't. Can you yourself out of this room?
Says who?
Says me.
Don't have a massage shift mine lie down.
You are pushing me out.
Lie where? Don't you dare put yourself inside this bed.
But wait. Oh! This bed is wide enough to accommodate the three of us just for this night.
Follow here.
At least tomorrow, this woman will leave this palace with her children.
Me? Go where? Me? Go where? I am not going anywhere. So, Peter now. Go, let's follow this place.
Only the heavens.
Yawa, Madela. Hey, I'm gonna go there, Maka.
Only the
It's okay now. Follow this place now. Forget her. Come.
We are
Come now.
in this world. Many things are hidden from us.
I heard there's been too much fighting in the palace lately.
What do you expect from a man who gathers an anti-fested firewood into his house? The king had disappointed us.
I can't believe it myself. I am surprised. Ichie Benebe should say something about this.
Ebelebe was surprised also. Every person was disappointed in a man. The king we all believed is a nobleman. Not knowing that he is having some secret that he was hiding from us.
Come to think of it, what if he wasn't aware all these years?
What difference does that make? What difference? A man who has a son outside wedlock will never be crowned king, and therefore he is not fit for the throne.
This is a serious issue. Such a fine king messed up his throne with such sudden eventuality. But he can be forgiven since he wasn't aware of the pregnancy before he became king.
Who will give credence to such statement? Who? He only told us. But how are we sure that he was telling us the truth? How are we sure that he was not hiding the information from us so as to be crowned king? Well, there is little or nothing we can do to salvage his throne. he is going to fail.
Oluchi. No, Mbamba. If anybody sees you helping me now, I'll be in trouble.
Don't worry. The king and his family are having a meal inside and all the maidens are eating. So he can say I am free. Nobody's coming to see us.
How about okay? You know he doesn't like me.
Okay, forget about that one. He's eating. I've already given him his food. So don't worry.
And why are you not eating yourself?
I am not hungry. I want to make sure you are done washing all these clothes. Then I can now eat. I want to do you a favor. You're not eating your food.
I will after washing.
Please, you need to eat your food. Or let me help you with the washing. Maybe when you are done eating, you will rinse the clothes.
What kind of a human being are you? You have such a wonderful heart and you're very supportive. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Go and eat.
Thank you.
From me and my children. Do they hack about them? Why? Our two legs on the ground. Soon I won't chop alone, Abi. Wickedness no fit to now. Anyway, I know send sharp. What is going on here? What do you mean that this is not queen? Don't let me insult you. After my mother, he is also a queen. I beg. What's going on here?
Dad, please, can you put a stop to this nonsense?
Can you all stop it?
Eat first. Dad, please, can you cautiously handle these people before I lose my mind? Why would they come in while we are eating? What is going on? Dad, just imagine the kind of noise they are making here.
Hey, my young Mutumai. They call you Crown Prince. Anyway, you are doing well. But shut up your mouth. Shut it! I don't need your opinion on this. You guys are eating, expecting us not to join you people as one family. Who does that?
You and your smelling, rascal, dirty-looking children are not my family. Take your wretched, hungry two idiots out of this place this minute before I lose my mind.
I don't care. Just shut up and sit down.
Hey! You don't talk to my son like that. He is the crown prince of this kingdom.
My son should be the crown prince because he is older than him.
Bam.
And you know that.
And which throne is he going to sit on? The one that I'm about to lose if you don't take these your stinking, God-forsaken children out of this palace.
Eh? We are not going anywhere.
Already the kingmakers are planning to dethrone me. You know what that means?
I don't care. You got me pregnant. These are your children.
Yes, so.
Hey, this is my son. He must be a king after
you. We are here.
I don't care what anybody is saying. I don't care.
You must be very mad to say that. If you know how sensitive this topic is, you would take these things out of you.
My friend, hey. Shut up, keep quiet. Hey. Keep quiet.
People should get out of this place immediately.
We're not going anywhere. We're not going anywhere. Here, we are here.
Will you all shut up?
Shut
What do you think you are doing? What does it look like I'm doing? I am leaving. I'm going back to my parents' house. I'm done with this marriage.
Leaving the children behind?
They are his children. I will not drag them with him.
Do you want to tell me you are giving up for another woman like you to take over your home? Enyi dear, which woman will take care of your children like you? Tell me.
What do you want me to do? No, Janet, tell me, what exactly will you have me do? How can I continue living with a man who doesn't speak to me anymore? He doesn't care if I and the children are alive. He barely spends 1 hour in the house anymore. Janet, I have lost him. What do you want me to do, Janet?
Yes, you lost him. Manakanjuoge. Have you lost your children as well? What you should have done for those children is for you to be there. Eh? How can you abandon your own children simply because your father is misbehaving? Even if he doesn't take care of you anymore, no problem. Channel your love, your care on your children. Ebiko. Eh? Let them be the reason you will remain in this marriage. Biko. Oh? I want them. Yes, boy. Eh? Going is not the solution.
My prince, you need to calm down, okay? You need to calm down. See, if you ask me, I will say this is a very huge mistake from your father's end.
I don't care. I don't care. I cannot sit back and allow somebody I don't know come from anywhere into my own father's house, where I was born, where I was groomed, to come and displace me of my right, my birthright. A palace that God gave to me, and that person wants to come and dethrone me. And for how now? How is that possible?
Please calm down, okay? Please. Let's take these things easy. You can't achieve anything with violence.
I don't like it when you tell me calm down, because it's now looking like you are one of my problems. Honestly. See, let me tell you now, write it down, you know me too well. You see that woman and her children lives that place alive or dead, because I will make sure it happens.
My prince.
Somebody cannot come there and take away what belongs to me. What do I do?
My prince, please, stop saying this kind of thing, please. Don't say this in outside. What do you mean by dead? See, if you're talking about death, that means you're taking this thing to extreme, okay? You need to calm down and know how to tackle these things.
But see, you're talking like you are the saint here. You advise. I know you now. If you were in my shoes, I know what you would have done. Head should have been rolling, you would have done worst. So now allow me to handle this thing. I know you. I beg.
Baba, see, make I tell you, I understand where you're going to, I understand where you're driving to, but make I tell you the cocoa. May we take this thing step by step. May we no jump.
See, when you reach your door, you take them step by step. Now, one person go die, make another person enter. And so it be. Let me tell you.
Esther, I have suffered so much pains and humiliations from you and your children. I tried applying violence, but that is not the way to go. I am a king and a role model. A lot is expected of me, of which I have failed in most of them. And that is why I am pleading with you to please forgive me for not accepting you as part of my family. I cannot undo what is already done in the past. I want you to know that I am already married with children. I have a son who is the crown prince and a daughter who is the princess of this land, this kingdom. So for that reason, I cannot accept you people as part of my family. It is not possible.
Babe, can I get a cigarette? I want smoke.
I want
Nigga, men that one can Kushiru. Eh? Let's calm down and listen to him. He's still talking.
What is going on here? I am still talking. Listen to me.
Listen to him telling us that we can never be in his life, even when he's our father. I'm his young now.
Mama, you say that this man born us.
What now?
We don't come, they say we don't come. This is our kingdom. See, we are not going anywhere. We don't land. You say we don't land. You say that boy called Ifeanyi, I be waiting to name. I will deal with him personally. I never even get ready for him. Allah, if that boy try me again, I will finish him. Wallahi. We don't come, you say we don't come. This is our kingdom. Abi?
Before we go.
Did you hear that?
Please, can you people calm down and listen to me? I have not landed. I'm not done yet. So, I am here to make a promise to you people. And that promise, I will surely fulfill. I am here to offer you the sum of 20 million naira. So that you can take it and go back to where you came from.
Only the heavens knows the truth. Only the heavens know the truth. We are only mortals in this world. Many things are hidden from us. Man no be God, if say man na God.
My prince. My prince.
Andy, please just go away. Go, please. Can you just go? Please.
My prince, you are sad. I know it's because of what's going on in the palace, but please don't allow it to weigh you down. Just take it easy. The best way to approach this is with wisdom.
Ndidi, I've lost it. I don't know what to do. I feel worthless. Especially with this usurper threatening. Honestly, I'm confused. I don't know what else to do.
My prince, but you are the chosen crown prince. Don't be threatened by him.
The prince, the chosen one. Chosen prince that just got a girl pregnant.
Don't say that out loud.
Ndidi, the truth still stands that if I don't do anything about this, I'm going to lose the crown. I will lose the title.
My prince, let's forget about the pregnancy and focus on the challenge in the palace at the moment. I know how heavy this can be, but you have to follow it gently. The only potent weapon with which you can challenge your half-brother in this issue is peace. It is only peacefully that you can talk to him and convince him to avert this war that is imminent. Please.
Plotting wicked around the world. Wicked people, evil people, plotting wicked around the world. Wicked people, fight for your right. Plotting wicked.
Hello, Uncle. Where the hell are you? Why has your phone not been connected all this while? Uncle, don't worry. I will find you wherever you think you are hiding, and I will deal with you for betraying me. Don't worry. I must find you wherever you think you are hiding, and I will deal with you. I will deal with you for betraying me, Uncle. But you cannot give up on me. I am human. who is brought to air. I will do everything, whatever it takes to prove my innocence. I will prove to you that I have nothing to do with that woman that came here with her children. I will swear with the gods of old and new.
Dad, there is something I want to tell you.
Son, I heard. Maybe she's right. Maybe I had something to do with that woman. Maybe I slept with her. But my memory cannot just fail me completely. And that is the reason why I'm still finding it difficult to believe her.
Dad, I don't think I deserve the truth anymore.
You don't say it like that. You talk like that. Is it because of that boy Ibuka? He's not my son and can never be my son. Just don't bother yourself. I've already started negotiating with them. You hear me? I've started negotiating with them. They will soon leave this palace.
Dad,
I won't grant you a request to relinquish your position as the crown prince to a stranger. You are the crown prince, and that position is your birthright, and no one can crush you out of it.
He made a transfer of 20 million naira into my account.
If I the good man, we're okay now.
I still can't believe this man is this rich.
He's a king.
So we are 20 million naira richer. Hey!
This is small money compared to what that man has.
Hey. For crying out loud, he's a king! A king!
King!
Ah.
But Mama, we will not leave while we still have more to get from him.
Hey, Mama, who's talking about leaving? I'm not going anywhere. You know what you're talking about. I'm not going anywhere, please. That money is very important to us.
But Mama, I heard that the man is going to be stripped of his kingship since he impregnated the woman before marriage. And their tradition said he is not supposed to.
Who cares about the throne?
Uju, I care. I want to be king someday. I do.
Have you imagined how awful and irritating you'll be as a king in this kingdom? Please forget about that king matter. We are here to make money.
Money!
Big money at that.
We are here to make money.
Big money.
Okay. Big money. Making. We'll make money. But hey, come. Come here.
Hey.
Come. No, I can come here. I can use the other part. Come here. Come here. Come here. Have you been listening to our conversation?
Me? No, God forbid. I just came to use this time.
You came to do what?
So I say, let me use the other.
Oh my God!
You hit him! Get the hell out of him!
Stephanie, what are you doing here?
I am prepared to report to your parents what you did and how you got me pregnant and forced me to remove it.
Forced you. You stand in front of me and you open your mouth to lie against me? Are you normal? Are you sure you are okay?
You are the one that is not normal. To think of forcing me into abortion. Never!
Do you know that you are the worst mistake I've ever made in my life? I am telling you, and I swear by the gods, knowing you was a mistake, and it is obvious that you are from the pit of hell. You are marine. You are from the waters. Your plan is to destroy me. But do you know what? I am going to win you. I will make sure I crush you down, since your aim is to kill me, but you can't.
You are the one that is terrible by not accepting your responsibilities. What kind of stupid and wicked prince are you? You are very wicked and monstrous.
I want you to leave this place this very second. Just walk out of here and I'll pretend this never happened. Right now. You have the chance. Leave.
You lie. I will stand there till your parents come out and they must know what you did to me.
And you think if my parents come here, I'm going to sit here and acknowledge all you have said? Do you think I'm stupid? Stephanie, I'm going to give you another lifeline. I am ready to give you whatever it is you want. Money, vacation, travel trips, whatever thing it is you want. Just walk out of here with this opportunity and let's pretend this never happened. Take this opportunity right now. That is your last lifeline.
You are very senseless and stupid.
It's obvious you do not really understand where you are standing. You are just standing in front of the most powerful family in this kingdom. And by the snap of my fingers, I can have you locked up and beaten to death at my command.
Go ahead. Do it. Do it!
What's going on here, from the apps?
Mom, that's the girl I told you about, Stephanie.
Oh, you are the girl that said my son got her pregnant.
Greetings, my queen. Yes, I am. Your son here got me pregnant and is denying it.
Stephanie, that's your name. Can we have a word in private?
Thank you, my queen.
Get into the car. Get inside the car. I'm going to clean your mess. Shut up.
You need to make plans on how to dethrone the king as soon as the time we give him has expired.
And there is no better time than now to hold this discussion. The king has failed us, and no one sits on the throne after bedding a woman who is not his wife.
He had the chance to tell us the truth, but he failed. He did not. That notwithstanding, I still think that we consider giving the throne to his son, since he's of royal blood.
He sat on that throne unqualified, and that extends to his progeny. None of them can sit on that throne.
Is that not unfair? I mean, how can the innocent boy suffer the deeds of his father? Let us consider giving him the throne since he is of royal blood. That is the point I am making.
Oh no. Oh no. Please and please. Let us not destroy our age-long tradition today because of sentiments. Oh. We all know the right thing to do. And let's do the right thing without sentiment, no matter whose ox is God.
Apologies, my elders. You see, like I said earlier, I was only being sympathetic to the boy, whom I feel should be unhappy if we deny him of his birthright. On the other hand, I don't want to go against the age-long tradition of our people. Without the collective support of you kingmakers, I only pray you consider him. No, there's no consideration here.
I will deal with you. You think it's all this thing you guys are doing with fake prince? The real prince is here. Prince Ebuka. Don't worry. Mechage. Wallahi. Don't try me, oh. Don't try me. Don't just fall. Let me fall you. Try me and fall. Then you see how I'll fall you. You. Let me see you. Stop shaking. Try me. Just try me for.
My son told me that you're pregnant for him.
Yes, he asked me to remove it.
I'm sure he was joking when he said that. He was playing about it, right?
Well, thank you very much for understanding, my queen. I told your son that removing a pregnancy is a risk, which I'm not willing to take it.
That's true. For him saying that, he was so harsh.
God bless you, my queen.
He was so harsh, either through the tone of his voice or he didn't know the right thing to say to you. It's wrong for a gentleman to treat such a beautiful lady in that way. I honestly apologize on behalf of my son.
I understand, my queen.
I think the problem here is that he didn't take time to explain things to you. It will be unfair for my son to sit on the throne today and tomorrow you just come in with this surprise news that the whole kingdom will be surprised to hear.
For my queen.
My son is the heir apparent to the throne. And he cannot sit on that throne by getting someone pregnant somewhere. If it is here that he got someone pregnant, he has the possibility of losing that throne. And I will not sit and watch my son lose the throne of his fathers. You cannot even become a queen by being pregnant. It's against our custom and tradition. So I will advise you, my dear, as a mother, to get rid of this pregnancy. Because I will not want anything to deny my son the right of sitting on that throne. That throne is my son's throne, and nothing will stop him. So I want you to get rid of this thing in your womb. You are a young girl. You can as well get pregnant some other time. You're still very young. You understand? Do you understand me? Thank you.
that serves you right, you bloody bastard. You will meet a fate worse than his. You will cry blood and ask for help, and help be far-fetched.
Ah, Bafo, Siso. Nothing there. Bafo, what was it dropping at the first place? And you gossip a lot. Sorry.
God, please. Take my life. This suffering is too much.
Ndudu, don't say that. Don't say that. Be strong.
What is he living for? Eh? Somebody who has already been condemned as slave is already dead. He's just waiting for the right time to go off the way of others. Will you shut up? How dare you? How dare you? Have you forgotten I'm chief guard? Chief guard my foot! Next time you talk to me like that, I'm going to take your head. Will you stop this?
Come on, Bill.
Okay, what is wrong with you? You have had your position now. Why don't you bask in it and stay the hell out of my business?
Please, don't mind that fool. I'll get something to massage you.
Thank you, Zubir. God, please take my life. Take me out of this place. God, please. This is not a good fate. God, please.
Wait. You mean the queen said that to you?
My dear, I was so shocked when she said it. Someone I actually thought I would reason with.
I'm not surprised. You don't expect her to support you to ruin his son's life. She needs him to become the king. Yes.
I don't care what she needs or wants. You know what surprised me the most, Ada? Was when she looked me in the eyes and offered to pay me 10 million naira to leave her son.
10 what?
Her son offered 15.
Then what are we still struggling for? Wait. The son promised to offer you 15 million. The mother 10 million. Which is 25 million. Girl, grab this money from them.
Ada, what is wrong with you? Eh? Can you hear yourself? You are asking me to collect the money from them. Are you okay?
Girl, you need to use your sense. 25 million is a huge amount of money and you need it. Please collect it from them. Please.
So, let me get something straight, Ada. You are supporting me in taking the money from him, is that it?
Yes, 100%.
Ada, remind me, what am I doing with you as a friend? Since you can actually sit here and advise me to risk my own life, what am I using you for?
Let me tell you, you can still keep the baby and enjoy the money without you bothering yourself about him.
See, let me tell you something now. For the sake of our friendship, don't even try in your life to advise me into doing anything that would risk my life. Are we good? Are we good?
I am still appealing to the elders to consider installing our son as the next king.
Have they approved of it?
Not yet. In fact, they're insisting that once the sitting king is not qualified, then his children are automatically out of it.
But you can't sit there and watch James say that. You have to do everything possible for them to put our son on that throne. They have to crown him. See, I think at this point we need to use money. We have to lure them in with money.
Of course.
Please just get their names. Let's give them money.
I will make a list of the persons needed to be seen.
Please do. And that reminds me, our son got someone pregnant.
What? What did I hear you say just now?
Just what I said.
Well, better still. You see, I want you to do whatever you must do. Sort anybody that must be sorted out. You see, our son on that throne is our only hope of remaining in this kingdom. Exactly. So we need to do whatever we must do. Huh?
And that's why you have to get that list fast so you can sort them out.
You can be certain I will do that immediately.
It's okay, sweetheart.
Thank you.
It's okay. Oh.
Esther, I thought we had an agreement. What are you people still doing here? I gave you the money you asked for. Why are you still here?
Nigga, man, a thought. Eh? Man, a thought. Yes, you gave me 20 million naira. And so, the money is not enough. We need another one.
But that is not our agreement now. It's not what we agreed on.
The one you gave to me is not enough. What about your children? Are you not giving them anything?
But the money I gave to you was meant for you and your children. The three of you.
Impossible.
King, no now. That money is too small. How can you give my mother chicken change? Just 20 million naira for three of us. No, now it's unacceptable now. Find us something. I need something bigger. I'm your son. Me, I need money. I need bigger one. Settle me. I'm your son. Settle me. I'm the next king of this kingdom. Settle me. See me. Settle me. I get on this now.
I also need my own. You can't give my mother money to give to us. We are adults here. So you need to deal with us directly. One-on-one.
Esther. Is that what we agreed?
Exactly. You know me before now. So why are you asking me such questions? Just settle them if you want us to go. We are free to go. If you cannot settle them, here we are.
Gaskia, settle us.
Who is that? Who is it?
Sorry, don't worry, let me help you. Sorry. Ndodi, why do you choose to do this to yourself? Eh? Why do you hate yourself so much that you prefer to die here in this palace than to live and save your life? Why?
Like I told you before, I have nowhere to go. No father, no mother, no relative that I know of.
Ndodi, you'll get a chance at life if you leave this palace. You need to leave before they kill you.
I don't have any option now. Where am I even going? Moreover, my chi has abandoned me already.
No, don't say that. Your chi has not abandoned you.
It is the truth. My chi abandoned me the very day I was condemned to slavery. I'm not going anywhere.
Ndodi, I am sure there is a life out there for you if you leave.
Stop telling me this thing. I have nowhere else to go.
They will kill you here.
And what do you think you're doing with my man? How dare you, Oluchi?
And who is your man?
Are you blind? What are you doing with Ndom? Ndonkem? Listen, I have warned you to stay away from my man, and this is going to be the last time I will warn you. Stay away from Ndodi! Stay away from him!
Ndo, how are you?
Okay. I'm in pain, so Ego.
Wait, now I know.
Ego, leave me alone, I'm in pain.
I'm sorry, I'm here for you. I'm sorry. Hi.
Keep your hands to yourself, the back I do.
Hi. See, when I heard this news, my heart was racing. I could not rest, I could not sleep. I'm really sorry. You see that boy Ibuka? He will suffer for this wickedness. I'm really sorry I was not there to protect you. I'm so sorry. Ndo. And you? What do you think you're still doing here? Go, get it!
Leave that foot!
No, it's you.
She's going nowhere. If there's anybody that's leaving, it is you.
Don't come. It's me. Ego Ivo.
I say get out.
Are you choosing her over me? Eh?
Get out.
Get out.
Don't mind her. She'll soon get what's coming to her for her wickedness.
I'm not even afraid of her. In fact, I know her very well. This is one of the reasons I want you to leave this place. Before they will kill you. You have to leave, please. This will kill you for me, oh.
Leave It's not as easy as you say these things.
You need to try.
You look like a sexy, wild kind of guy. That would be so good on bed.
Thanks for the compliment, my princess.
I love what I feel down there. What about you riding this princess today and every other day?
It will be my pleasure, my princess.
Wow. That's an easygoing guy you are. That means we have an agreement then?
Yes, my princess.
Thank you. I'll be waiting. You can go.
Mom, what have you done? What have you done?
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
No, don't give me that look. Don't pretend I know what you have done. Why did you do it?
It's not about the look, it's about what you're asking me. I don't understand. What do you mean, what have you done?
Okay. I got a report from a reliable source yesterday that Stephanie was murdered in her apartment. Why did you do it?
For Christ's sake, what has that got to do with me?
You look me in the eyes and you think I'm a kid? You killed her! I know you killed her! You are the one who murdered that girl in cold blood! Why did you do that? Why did you kill her?
Killed who? Who did she kill?
What would you have done? Discourage me? I would have allowed that brat come in here, take away the seat we have been fighting so hard for.
Oh, that.
The brat would have come to take away the crown from your head. And I will sit and watch that happen. When we have commanders that have entered here, brats that have entered here to fight for what does not belong to them, then I will allow one idiot come from somewhere and take away the throne from my son.
For Christ's sake, Mom, that's somebody's son.
Shut up. That throne is yours and you must sit on that throne.
Mother, thank you so much. To me, this is a huge favor. And instead of this goat here to say thank you, he's here ranting. You and I know that he is not capable of answering a king.
I'm not going to stand here in Mom's room and listen to you insult.
Young man, what will you do? You can't do anything.
Really? You jump in here like a rabbit. moving around this whole palace, and you think I'm the only person you can sit here and talk back to when there is a lady out there who is your mate that you can go out there and fight her and tell her what to do.
What about you?
I'm going to give you a slap of your life now if you don't take time.
Hey, hold it there. Look at you, look at me. Who is the man, who is the woman? Acting like a girl, not even a woman. What is wrong with you? What about you? You can't even face that guy man to man. What are you doing?
Can you stop?
Baby king!
Enough!
What are you doing?
Enough! Can two of you stop?
Quickly.
Hey!
That's what you are.
Now stop!
I'm sorry.
Mom, I'm going to put this girl here now.
It's okay.
My king, I want you to discontinue giving them money. They plan on extorting you till they take everything away.
You mean you have heard them say this?
Yes, my king. I want you to take everything that has happened to you like a man. Don't let it weigh you down. I know the challenge is heavy, but with God, you will overcome. Just take it easy, my king.
Thank you, Ndidi. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, my king.
I feel so terrible right now, remembering how I treated you in this palace. But I promise you, I will restore you as my trusted chief guard.
Thank you, my king. Thank you, my king.
I will.
Thank you, my king.
You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect.
The queen requires your presence right now.
I'm eating.
So should I go and tell her you're eating? Huh? I should go and tell her?
Wait.
Madam.
Why don't you know? I beg, this sabacha is so sweet. You know you're the only one that knows how to make a sumptuous sabacha. And is that why you're eating my food? On whose order? Give me that. Give me the now. Thank you. Look at this girl.
There's something very important I want you to do for me.
I'm at your command always, my queen.
I want you to kill that boy called Ndidi tonight.
Tonight?
Is it difficult for you to do, or should I get someone to do it
No,
for
my
me?
queen. Anything for you, my queen.
I want to hear that good news by morning.
Good.
You said good.
Yes, ma'am.
Go. You said good.
You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect.
So if I did not propose a business meeting, you wouldn't have bothered to see me. I
thought we'd be discussing about the cars you want to buy.
Uncle, how dare you? How dare you try to destroy my family and my kinship? Why?
I don't understand.
To this guy, that useless woman that I was the one that slept with her, that I was the father of her kids.
But we all slept together that night.
Oga, give my money. I want to go outside.
By this time? Wait now, lady, breathe now.
Guinea.
It's too early now.
I don't want it. You should give me my money. I want to start going home.
My dear, do you know what? I'm a prince in my community. That man lying over there is my bodyguard. You understand? It's like my servant, yes. So he normally holds my money. When you wake up, he's going to give you the money. He's going to give you enough money, I know.
Wait, I should collect the money from you.
Yes. Come. Let me get something. You understand? He will give you the money complete. Don't worry, huh?
Oga. I beg, stand up.
Who are you?
Who am I? After you and the prince messed up with my body all night, you are asking me who am I?
The prince? Who is the prince?
Your friend Wanko, of course.
Wait. Did he tell you he's a prince?
What nonsense question is that? I beg, Oga, give my money before I go change it for you here now. No, it's me play.
Hold on. Young lady, I don't understand. What are you really talking about?
Wait. Is it a pretense or what? Oga, I said you should give me my money or I'm going to report you for rape.
Rape?
So after you guys finish enjoying yourselves, you will not give me my money. You will not leave this room today. You see this room, you are going nowhere unless you pay me. Give me my money.
Hold on. Sorry, how much is the money?
50k.
But you know it, that I wasn't the one that slept with her. You were the one that slept with her and you confirmed it before me that night. Wow.
Sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. She suddenly came to me with her kids, with her twins, telling me that they are my children. I was scared because I already have 5 children. I lied to her that you are the one that has sex with her. And I gave her your location.
Why did you do a wicked thing like that to me? Why?
You have 2 children and I thought you need more.
You will suffer for this.
I'm sorry.
You and that useless woman must suffer.
So, all of you want to tell me that you know nothing about what happened to her, right? No problem. When the police arrives, you all will confess and say the truth.
My queen, Amara actually died after eating the abacha this wicked Oluchi poisoned.
My queen, she's lying. My queen, I swear, I did not poison her. How can I poison the same food I made for myself? My queen, it's not possible.
I can shut up. Stop lying. You poisoned the abacha when you were tired of eating it. The poor Amara just ate it and she died. She just died.
My queen, I did not poison her. Why are you accusing me? Why are you accusing me wrongly?
Can you just say the truth?
If there's anyone who killed Amara, it should be you. Because you came into that room while I was eating that abacha. So why am I not dead?
My friend, shut up.
My
Just shut up.
I am innocent.
Shut up. You poisoned her. You poisoned her.
You killed her.
You poisoned her.
You killed her. Anyone who killed her.
Enough! Really? You killed her? You killed her in my presence? You didn't poison her? You didn't poison her? You didn't? He didn't? You two didn't? No problem. When the police comes, the person that did will confess. Oluchi, pray that you are not involved in this scandal. Just pray.
Innocent.
You're innocent. All of you are innocent. Maybe I'm the guilty one. It's okay. I will handle this when the king comes back and when the police is here. We'll talk. Where is that slave? What's his name? Ndo or something. Where is it?
My queen, Ndudi is no longer a slave.
Will you shut up?
My queen,
What did you just say?
He's been pardoned by the king and reinstated as the chief count.
What are you saying? Reinstated how? So where is he?
My queen, he went to the village market to get some things. He has earned his position back as the chief guard.
You lied.
What is going on? I asked what is going on!
Ego, how could you? Ego, how could you? I knew it. I know you did this. How could you be this wicked, mean, evil at the same time? How could you take a life of another? How could you even take a life you did not create? I heard you plotting with Amara several times against me and against that innocent young man, Ndodi. Why this wicked? Why are you evil? Why?
But I want you to stay away from Ndodi. I have warned you several times. Stay away from Ndodi. Stay away.
He's not your man and he can never be your man. Ndodi already know your type of person. So he would never associate with you.
I may have missed sending you to the afterlife. But I promise you, next time, I won't miss again.
The king will learn of what you just did. You killed Amara! So go and feast on her flesh, you murderer.
I wish this evil girl just died. She's the only person coming in between me and my man. Amara, I'm sorry you died. Rest in peace, Amara. But I'm on the truth, my king. So good.
You're so sweet.
Ride me up, baby. Ride me daily, baby. Dad, why did you enter here without knocking?
I am not your father, you bastard. As for you, okay? You will spend some weeks in the palace cell. Then I will decide how many years you will spend in jail. You faithful servant.
I'm sorry, my king. Forgive me, my king.
sorry, my king.
Where's my mother? Is she aware of this madness?
You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect. What do you want to achieve with this evil? No one to trust, no one to rely. Everybody is a suspect. If any man if any man Imakaru Sierra Nakanamboke Jebuya. You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect. The balance is in a mess. Nobody is safe. Everywhere is on fire. Danger. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect. If any man
You always suffer for coming here to impersonate as my blood. Whereas you are nothing but fraudsters. You will suffer for the rest of your lives for daring to tear my family apart. You will suffer for making me nearly lose my throne. You will suffer in jail. My lovely wife and my beautiful children, I thank God for a day like this. Now that the dust is over, it is time for us to come back and becoming one family.
Father, I want to say a very big thank you for this opportunity. I want to apologize for arguing with you. And also I want to say that I'm very sorry for accusing you of trying to break the family and tear everyone apart. I'm sorry from the bottom of my heart.
You know, I can't believe that I almost had you killed. My own father. Dad, I am so sorry. That woman and her evil kids deserves every punishment you're going to give to them. Every punishment.
Sure. And I'm so happy that the throne is still in this family. I'm so happy.
Yes. I will have to call a meeting with the council to let them know the recent developments. I'll also demand apologies from them for doubting me as their king.
You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect. What do you want to achieve with this evil? No one to trust, no one to rely. Everybody is a suspect. You are fighting with the gods. Danger in the balance. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect. The balance is in a mess. Nobody is safe. Everywhere is on fire. Danger. No one to trust, no one to rely. Danger. Everybody is a suspect. If any man if any man the wicked neither sleeps nor slumber. They're always busy